Hey, hello. I just wanted to do a quick video to talk about my plans this week. Hey, uh, so um, you can see my screen. So this is my to-do list this week, and mostly it's centered around Sensible and promoting it. And I hope you can help me with that, and also help make make Sensible like work with VS Code and Chrome and everything. I think and just learn the basics of Sensible and try to understand all the code that I wrote, because if you can work in Sensible more, that would be great too, because we really need to push this project now, I think. And later we can pick up King again and other different projects, but I think now is the time to really push it a little. So I would like to not see anything directly pushed onto main, but preferably via PRs, because I really want to keep the code quality high for this framework. And I want to review some stuff whenever I will try to review with a video whenever you make PRs to improve it. So the first goal would be to make it very stable, right? So it should never crash the app, the CLI. And yeah, so that actually I forgot. CD packages Sensible. So we just made a fix, but I didn't publish that. So now it's also published to the Sensible package. So you should be able now to run it on Mac and maybe also on Linux. On Windows, there's still a PR open of Guillermo. I'm gonna review that and merge it. Yeah, and then it would be great if this week we could all focus on Sensible as much as possible, and I will just yeah, you can see the issues and make especially this list. See if you can assist me anywhere. Just let me know what you want to do, and there's also other issues. But especially, I think you should get acquainted with the whole code base as much as possible. So yeah, that's it. So then, yeah, let me know if you need any help or something. I'm available all day. So yeah, and I'll see you.